Hi, Assalamualaikum. I think I just need to record a session explaining about this handout that I have just revised. It's called Captain Nobody Shortcut because it is about Captain Nobody, and it is really a very short version. Most of my students are very weak. They have really low motivation on answering 1119 paper, especially this part, section D novel. So I need to really make things simple for them so that they can at least answer. So what you have here is only seven events happen in the story, which I have already tagged with keywords. For example, the event when in the beginning of the story, when Newt made breakfast for his family. So I gave it a keyword, breakfast, and then to the right here, the first one I want to highlight is the claim, because that's the most important thing in answering paper 2 section D for novel, is for you to have your own opinion, your own. Over here I am listing whatever claims that you could memorize for your paper. This is very exam oriented. I'm very sad to be doing this, but after 10 years of teaching, I think this is the only way for me to save some of my students, so bear with me. I think that Newt is understanding. When you write claims like that in your essay, you need to have textual evidences and explanation. So the middle column here, we have because, the explanation. So when you say Newt is understanding, you follow up with because Newt made breakfast for his family. And then you need to specify what happened. What happened was his parents were busy. They have no time to make the breakfast or even eat it. I think that Newt is understanding because he made breakfast for his family when his parents were busy or have no time to make breakfast. That's how you use this handout. The question will vary. Soalan tu akan berubah-berubah. Tetapi dengan menggunakan cheat sheet ini, mudah-mudahanlah kamu boleh menjawab apa-apa saja soalan. The question for last year is a bit tricky, even though it's very, very simple. Which character you dislike most? We were trained to look for kebat questions, to train the students to answer kebat questions. That suddenly they ask that very simple, tricky question. You still can use this cheat sheet to work your way to answering that question. For example, instead of saying Newt is understanding, you can say Newt is very annoying because he keeps on wanting them to eat it and they don't want to. It depends on how you explain the answer. And you have other events here, costume, when they make costume, the drum, Mr. Clay, the jewelry, Ferret, Reggie, all these, the keywords for you to remember. So maybe you can come up with an acronym to help you remember. Mungkin kamu boleh ada beberapa soalan lah yang kamu jadikan latihan untuk jawab soalan section D ni. Setiap kali kamu guna handout ni untuk jawab soalan tu, kamu akan makin lama makin biasa untuk gunakan ini cheat sheet. Poinnya ialah gunakan setiap kali kamu jawab. Tapi dengan menghafal semua tu tidak ada guna selagi kamu tidak faham macam mana untuk bina esei kamu dengan baik. Before that, I need you to remember a few of these keywords. TS is topic sentence, TE is textual evidence, EX is explanation, OP is opinion, CS is closing sentence. Are very important to help you, to guide you how to construct your paragraphs. Gunakan soalan ini lah. How does friendship help the main character overcome his or her weakness? Soalan ni sebagai contoh macam mana untuk menjawab soalan. Menggunakan handout ni lah. Okay. So we start with introduction. You have to start with, I have learned the novel entitled Captain Nobody. You don't have to memorize a summary. You don't have to. You only have to write this down as your first sentence in your introduction. Lepas tu, you directly answer the question. For example, di sini ada 2 ayat untuk menjawab soalan tu terus. Newt had to name JJ and Cecile. There were many ways his friends had helped him overcome his weakness, which is the fear of heights. So, we already specify dia punya weakness, fear of heights. Takutkan ketinggian. So, kita ada mention juga nama kawan dia ialah JJ and Cecil. Ini ayat ni akan berubah mengikut soalan lah, yang soalan yang kamu cuba. Ya, ini satu perenggan dan ini satu lagi perenggan. But I only fill in the first part. For example, the topic sentence mesti terus cakap, the drum incident is when Cecil helped Newt overcome his fear of heights. Itu yang first. Jadi nanti yang secondnya, paragraph of the body, you can say another incident where he helped Reggie write. The water tower incident when Newt also overcome his fear of heights. Masa tu pun rasanya macam Cecil juga kan? Textual evidence. One day, Cecil asked Newt to take down a drum set of dumpster. Explanation, EX explanation, but Newt was afraid of heights. The dumpster was high. Cecil convinced CN that he was the only one who could do it. Oops, tersalah di situ. Who could do it. CN finally brought down the drum. Semua ayat-ayat ni adalah sangat-sangat mudah. Sesimpel yang boleh teacher buat. As an example, to show even weak students are capable of answering this question. Kalau dorang mau, kalau kamu mau. After the explanation, kamu letak opinion. I think that CN become confident because Cecil encouraged him. Situlah yang masuk. Menjawab soalan macam mana kawan membantu memperbaiki kelemahan. Lepas tu, kita mesti ada closing sentence. Closing sentence should reflect the topic sentence. For example, here, the topic sentence was Cecil helped Newt overcome his fear of heights kan? Jadi ulang saja di closing sentence. Therefore, Cecil helped Newt to overcome his fear of height. The construct of this paragraph is very simple. You can recreate it just by remembering these few keywords. Topic sentence, textual evidence, explanation, opinion, and closing sentence. It's very simple. You can adapt this to your own writing. So nanti ulang balik semula untuk the second paragraph of the body. And then I teach my students with this acronym of SALAH, SLH, SALAH, for all of their closing paragraphs in any essay. Ada 3 essay kan? 2 di kertas 1 dan 1 di kertas 2. SALAH is summary, learn, and hope. So the summary, we just summarize everything. His friends already helped Newt to overcome his weakness. Itulah summary dia. Keseluruhan essay ini hanya untuk menunjukkan bahawa kawan-kawan Newt ini membantu dia memperbaiki kelemahannya. And then what do you learn from this? I learned that friendship can have many positive effects on us. Lepas tu, hope pula. Apa yang kamu harapkan? I hope that my friends could help me overcome my weakness too. Salah. Summary, learn, hope. Semua essay kamu boleh guna akronim ini untuk membantu kamu mengingat apa yang boleh kamu tulis di dalam kamu closing paragraph. Okay, that's all. I hope that this handout can help you in answering the novel question. Even if you are answering with a different novel, you can always use this concept. You can derive your own cheat sheet with your own notes and then use the same acronyms for the build-up of your essay and be creative with it. That's all. Thank you.